In this video, we will take a look at how to create and use actions in Adobe Illustrator. This is Tutorial Thursday, and without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Hello guys, my name is Muneeb from Design with Muneeb. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So by using actions in Adobe Illustrator, you can make a shortcut approach to doing actions in Adobe Illustrator. Now, actions in Adobe Illustrator are pretty much like actions in Adobe Photoshop. So if you're familiar with actions in Adobe Photoshop, well, there's not much of a difference. In Adobe Illustrator, you can use actions to perform from the very simplest tasks to performing a set of complex tasks. So let's take a closer look at the actions in Adobe Illustrator. So here in Adobe Illustrator, I have created a brand new document. Inside the document, we have two circles on top of each other. Now, in order to access the actions window, we go to Window and it's Actions. Now here we have a set of pre-made actions that we can reliably use. So now if we want to set its opacity to, well, 60%, instead of just selecting, going to options and then typing 60%, I can just select and hit this action. So you can see it has done a pretty good job, and you can experiment yourself by using all of these pre-made actions, and I myself use all of these when I'm doing professional work. So now we will talk over on how to create your own customized actions so you can make a bit of yourself of a custom workplace suiting your needs. So what I'm gonna do is to create an action for expanding. So let's just pretend you didn't see this. And I'm gonna select at least two shapes. Now I'm gonna select a shape you want to expand and I'm gonna hit record. Now I'm gonna just do the normal expanding action, so go to object and hit expand, hit OK. And now I'm gonna hit this stop playing button. Now I want to expand this. So in order to expand this, I'm gonna just remove the color from this and I'm gonna just increase the stroke size. Now I'm gonna just select the object I want to expand and I'm gonna play the expand action. So you can see all the actions are doing the job for us. Now I've shown you a simple example, but you can apply this to many different functions and other tools. Now the only limit is your imagination. So this is it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then make sure to leave a like on this video. If you loved it, then make sure to subscribe. Check on other awesome content on the channel. This has been Muneeb, and until then, see you later.